All right, chat. First flood of the season. County called it a mild inconvenience. That trampoline used to be 4 houses down.
Every hurricane, somebody throws hands over unleaded. I mean, really? Jail time for 87 octane.
Y'all waited too long. Now we all riding out the storm on I-4 with 60,000 of our closest friends.
All right, chat. So we're looking at Texas, Cuba, Georgia, or directly up my nose. Thanks, weather guy. Tape don't stop glass, Susan. You just made confetti. Y'all spend $600 on backup power and forget the oil. I can't fix this with bark and confidence.
Only in Florida do we hit CrossFit levels trying to save a tool shed. This was a Wendy's drive-thru yesterday. Now it's manatee territory.
Charlie took this oak clean out. Me, I held the line with a canoe and a prayer. Roscoe's got the map. I got snacks and a flare gun. That's prep.